G'day, how you going? I'm Benno, welcome to the shed. Well, there we go, the gearbox has been separated from the motor. There's my torque converter. I've got to get, I've got enough light in there to see maybe, but right in here, we've got to get that circle out. Hopefully I don't have to pull the bell housing off to get that out. I don't really want to do that. Alright, so there's my new seal. We've just checked it. Looks like it's the right size. I've checked it on the inside there. So I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so I've got my trusty seal puller. So we can get this sucker out. Too easy. Right, that's the old seal. I'll just give this a bit of a clean. Make sure there's no crap sitting in there. There's dirt in there. Alright, so that's pretty good. Make sure it's going to fit. Yep. It's the right size. Just get some trans oil and just lube that up a bit. Get that a clean out. Just want to give that a bit of a lube. So according to the FSM, you give it a bit of a lube up with some auto trans and then slip it in. Alright, here we go. See if I can cock this up. Yep. Come on. I think that's just about right. Hopefully that's how it needs to be. Clean. Running out of rags here at a fast rate. Feeling dirty. There we go. Nice and clean now. Right, just a little bit of lube just in case. If I'm using oil, I'm going to fucking spill it every time. Try and get this torque converter in without destroying it. There we go. One. There we go. Okay, torque converter's in place. Well, there you go. That's all back together. Let's whack this cover on. There we go. That's it. The more I look around this thing, the more I find wrong. I probably should have checked it, but that air conditioning compressor's so solid. Something else I found, another broken electrical fitting, and it's the oil level sender, and that's fucking expensive. I replaced that one, and then I broke that one off. I can't find it, but yeah, that's broken off. Probably, yeah. It's broken off inside the brand new female side, so I've got another one of them ordered. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that other fitting though. For now, it can go back on the ground. I did have big ideas about actually installing this motor into that over there, and that over there. But it's just not going to happen. Not this weekend. More delays, but it is what it is. But on a more positive note, there's been quite a bit of progress made on this thing, so I'll just show you where I'm up to. Other than breaking that, which pissed me off, but you know, that's the way it goes. So all the wiring is re-insulated, ready to go. I have replaced all of these vacuum lines and breathers, and this little sucker here, this one here, that was broken. I tried to buy one, but I couldn't. Well, I could from Toyota. They wanted an arm and a leg and had to donate me left nut to bloody charity just to get this little plastic piece. So I thought, well, I've got a 3D printer. I reckon I can print that. So I got my CAD program out and drew it up and did a design and put it on the printer, and there we go. We have a replacement part. It's in there, it's sealed, it's solid. These will come up to here. Just got to put them on. Something else I found that's broken is multi-pin housing, and I haven't really looked. It does have a number on it. I might be able to find a brand new one of these, but who knows. Let's see how much Toyota want, because that's the only place it'll come from. Something else I've printed up is this bush for the shifter. Found it hard to find. You can probably buy them, but I didn't bother looking any further than 5 minutes and thought I can just make that, so I did. Where else are we up to? Pretty much that's it on this. I've been mucking around with the 3D printing a bit, just for Blake. If you'll go, oh, you're wasting your time on that. Well, yeah, I'm probably wasting my time on that. Anyone who's been following the channel for a while will remember this. I did a bit of a series on doing that. Well, that was okay with the piece of crap 3D printer that I had. And over here, this is the new version. I haven't had to scale it down. Works brilliantly. I've been using it quite a lot. Just attaching it to the vacuum cleaner and cleaning up the mess. It sucks it up really nicely. What do we got in there? I mean, that's rubbish that's in it so far. That's just a little bit of the floor in here. That works a treat. Something else I've done is, I'll show you. I haven't really shown anyone. I've got a couple of people trying these things out, seeing how well they're working. So I'll show you. So over the back here, I was just trying out a new ABS a new filament that I've picked up. And I'm really happy with that filament. That's printed really nicely and fits perfectly. You probably think, well, what the hell is that? And a lot of people do have Milwaukee tools, as I do. Getting the battery stored somewhere is just, you know, just out of the way. Don't have stuff laying around. So I decided, yeah. This is not my design, by the way. I am working on my own design, which is similar but not quite. It actually works a little bit better than this one, I think, at least. This thing's straight off the printer and clips in beautifully. Comes out beautifully, and I haven't had to file anything. So this material is actually proving itself to be worth the dollars. That's another thing I've been working on. I just love the way I can just go, and there it is. There's a bit of a mess in here. It's a bit of a work in progress, but you know, there's a couple of printers there, and voila, there's another printer over there in a cabinet. So there we go. That's what I've been up to, and I've been working heaps. Work's really busy, so. Been working heaps, haven't had a lot of time to actually spend in the shed. Slow and steady wins the race, they reckon. Going much slower if you're going backwards. So now I'm just waiting on a few more parts. So if you made it to the end, good on you, thanks for that. Appreciate it. Watch time means a lot to YouTube, even though I'm not putting up a lot of videos at the moment. But if you haven't subscribed and you do like it, hit the subscribe button. And hit the like button and drop us a comment, tell me what you're thinking. and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye. So stick around and don't forget, like, subscribe.